All right, lesson 35. So we're still continuing our work on adjectives and adverbs. So with the comparative, hold on, let me get rid of these lines. All right, so with the comparative, you want Eeyore, IUS, superlative, ismus, aramus, or illimus. And your translations are more, rather. And then over here, blank est, most, and very. All right, so Lois. There's the Eeyore. For the superlative, Loissimus. For Siwis, you've got Siwior and Siwissimus. With this one, you're going to need some help from the derivative. And a derivative from this is sapient, and on that we'll add the Eeyore, just for phonetics. And we're going to do the same over here. Now, for the adverbs, these don't change. So this is either going to end in E or ter. This one's going to end in IUS. And then this one's going to end in isime. Switch the US to an E. Arame or illime. Lowiter is the positive, so the comparative is going to be lowius. The superlative is going to be lowissime. Alright, same thing as the superlative, you're just switching the US to an E. This is going to be siwius and siwissime. Sapientius, sapientissime. Now, this part here, quam works with all of these. And you have quam with the superlative, with the positive, which is the first column. Quam will be translated as how. When you have with the middle column, the comparative, the eorneus, it's going to be translated than. And with the superlative, as blank as possible. So, quam demens translating these. If you are not sure what demens is, we can use the process of elimination. So, for example, does it have an ismus, illime, or aramus, any of those? If it doesn't have the double consonants like that, it's not superlative. Does it have an e or an eus? If it doesn't have those, then our last option is positive. So quam's going to be how crazy, how demented. Quam, and then we got a superlative here and an adverb. Quam lois, it's a positive. Zawier quam. More savage, quam with the comparative is than. Eeyore wiser, quam than. Sapientissimus. IUS is a comparative adverb, so more wisely. Than. IUS and other comparative adverb. More savagely than. Double the S will make this superlative. Very crazy, very demented, craziest. Quam with the double S superlative. As crazy as possible. All right, so first 3 sentences. Again, work through them. Pause the video to get a start on it, and if you need help, let the video go. So a couple of things. The UM is going with that. Here's our main verb. The T, the Dukes is our subject, the leader. Decided. Oppugnare, to attack. Finitumum openum, the neighboring town. Cinemora, without delay. All right, for the second one, Demons Rex is going together. The que is connecting these two words, and the multos is describing them. We've got an adverb here. The mad, crazy, demented king. Lyta, happily killed many boys and girls. And this one, Arma and Grau were going together. Potra, the soldier, was not able to carry the Grawi Arma, the heavy weapons. Across the river. All right, some more sentences to try. Well, actually, sword in the body gave a magnum dolorum, a great pain, to the soldier. Now, right here we got superlative. A very wise man did not want to fight in war. This is going with king. So the mind of the crazy king led to the deaths. Kyrium, Motorum, those guys are going together, of many citizens. We have a comparative adverb. The leader fought. More bravely, and the qualm with the comparative is than. Superlative here, and these are one of the words that is with the dative. The queen was very faithful. To the people. And we've got qualm with the superlative. The barbarians or as savage as possible in war. All right, so some declining. You know this goes here, and you know this goes here. So dolor. And the stem, you've got to drop off the genitive singular ending. So we're actually left with dolor as our stem. It'll be third declension because of the is in the genitive singular. All right, now, here's our adverb. It's positive. Let's see, this is from pono, ponere. Put or place. The soldier put the sword in the head of the enemy. Celeriter, quickly. We've got another comparative here with quam, with the infinitive to find water in a forest is more useful than to find a rock. We have a superlative, and this is describing tempest. Tempest, remember, is neuter, so the nominative and accusative are the same, and we have some accusative of time going on right there. The farmer was looking for aqua water in the forest. For a long time. Agricola, winery. All right, this one. Combos to mean no longer. A lot of times we forget that. All right, was not able to find water. And no longer is living. All right, the double L there is a superlative. It was very difficult to make a journey through the mountains.